What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to do a benchmarking test comparison between Samsung Galaxy S21 and the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Both of these are Exynos variant of these Samsung Galaxy smartphones. So the Note 20 Ultra is running on Exynos 990 while Galaxy S21 is on Exynos 2100. Galaxy S21 got 8GB RAM, a 6.2-inch Full HD Plus screen, and Note 20 Ultra got a 6.9-inch screen with WQHD Plus resolution. Both of them are running on Android 11 and One UI 3.1. So let's see how much all of these hardware specs are going to contribute in the benchmarking test score and which device is better in terms of performance. So the benchmarking applications we got today here, they are AnTuTu Benchmark, Geekbench 5 and the 3D Mark. So first of all, let's start with the AnTuTu Benchmark. So Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra scored 537,560 and Samsung Galaxy S21 scored 652,700. So as you can see, the performance of Samsung Galaxy S21 is nearly 20% better compared to Note 20 Ultra. And you can have a look on the individual test score results as well. So in all of these 4 tests, CPU, GPU, memory and UX, performance of Samsung Galaxy S21 is better compared to Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. And that's why it is also scoring more points overall. So in AnTuTu Benchmark, the winner is Samsung Galaxy S21. Now let's have a look on the 3D Mark. So we got multiple tests here, and if you go to the results section, here you can see we have performed Wildlife and Wildlife Extreme. Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra scored 1,395 in Wildlife Extreme and 4,449 in Wildlife, while Samsung Galaxy S21 scored 1,992 in Wildlife Extreme and 5,846 in Wildlife. So once again, in both of these tests, performance of Galaxy S21 is better compared to Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. So this benchmarking test basically gives the idea about the GPU capability and the gaming performance of the device. And as you can expect from here, the performance of Samsung Galaxy S21 is going to be better. And since the very same CPU and GPU are used in Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus and S21 Ultra, you can also consider this is a comparison between all of the Samsung Galaxy S21 series smartphone with the Galaxy Note 20 series. Now it's time for the last test for today, and that's going to be the Geekbench 5. So this test is divided in CPU and compute. So Galaxy Note 20 Ultra here scored 891 in single core and 2813 in multi-core, and the Samsung Galaxy S21 scored 1091 in single core and 3751 in multi-core. So once again, in both single core and the multi-core, performance of Galaxy S21 is better. If you go back from here to the compute, in this Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra scored 3330 and Samsung Galaxy S21 scored 7,340. So this time the difference is huge. More than twice of what Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is scoring is achieved by Galaxy S21. So in all of these 3 tests of Geekbench 5, the winner is Galaxy S21. And also overall, in all of these 3 tests that we performed here, AnTuTu Benchmark, Geekbench 5 and the 3D Mark, the winner is Galaxy S21. And you can give the credit to the improved CPU and GPU powering the device compared to what we got on Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.